All right, y'all, so for lunch, we are doing the mushroom ravioli from Trader Joe's.
And so that's what they do.
Y'all, so we have the Bigelow green tea with mint. This stuff right here, chef's kiss. I've been liking mint tea just because it just wakes you up. And I don't have any black tea, so we're doing green tea today. Y'all, I love mushrooms so much, so I just know this is about to bust. So on the back of the package, it says, place 2 tablespoons of water and package into skillet. Cover over high heat for 2 minutes. Uncover, lower heat to medium, stir gently to separate. So technically it's already cooked. We just need to unfreeze them. So once this boils or starts boiling, I'll add my ravioli. Ravioli is actually pretty good. I do want to dock this up just like a wee bit. This is chicken bouillon, but it's from the Asian market. So I think I just need like a little dash of this in there to kind of like amp up the flavor. I use this in a lot of my dishes. The sun is so bright. That's why the lighting is kind of doing what it's doing. We don't need too much. The ravioli, we're also gonna do a salad because we need some sort of a green vegetable. All right, y'all, so here is the ravioli. Put some green onions on here just to kind of like razzle dazzle it up. I'll put my light on it so y'all can see. Look at that, looks really good. And then I got just a green salad. And then I got some ranch dressing. What's up, y'all? So now it is like the next day and I got a package in the mail. Have y'all seen these on TikTok? These are like the lip sleeping masks, and I guess it's supposed to help prevent you from snoring. And your girl snores. I snore. I ain't gonna hold y'all up. Like sometimes I can hear myself snoring. That's how loud I snore, but I can't wait to try these. I'm gonna try these tonight. And I'm gonna let y'all know how these go. These are Dream Vision. These are from the TikTok shop. I'm really excited. And I guess it's supposed to like sharpen your jawline too. Even though my jawline is already sharpened, but I don't know. But I'm excited to use these. I'm about to go and get some drinks with one of my friends. It's Thursday night. The spot that we're going to has karaoke, so I might be one of the contestants while karaokeing. We'll see. We'll see.
Let's hear it for Lavender.
is the next day, and my auntie, we are celebrating Chinese New Year today. So she had me go pick up some Chinese food. She's actually making some Chinese food too. So, and I got my red on, y'all. We finna get it poppin'.
This is one of the drinks. It's not the. I know it looks like Bailey's, but it's not. It is a milk tea, and it's got Kahlua and vodka, a little touch of cinnamon, and this.
I can put you in a log cabin somewhere in Aspen. Girl, ain't nothing to the pain, ain't tricking if you got it. What you asking for? Put you in a mansion somewhere in Wisconsin. Like I said, ain't nothing to the pain. We can change the last name. What's happening? Cause you look so good. Tell me why you wanna work here. I put you on the front page of a King magazine, but you gon' get yourself hurt here. Hey, baby, I brought you in the back just to have a conversation. Really think you need some ventilation. Let's talk about you and me. Oh, I can't believe it. Ooh, ooh,
I don't eat no corn.
You guys, we were trying some sort of Asian candy.
Here, show them the bowl. Show them how much we got to eat.
Ooh, it's like jelly.
It is. You gotta squeeze it and do it like a Jello shot.
Excuse me, I'll be right.
Ooh, this is corn. This is not good.
No way.
Yes.
It's corn.
It's corn flavor.
This is where we get cultural differences. We don't eat no. Hey,
No.
black people eat corn.
Yeah, but not like that.
Hey,
Italian people don't
cornbread.
even
We
eat like
eat
that.
cornbread,
Yeah.
fried corn, but we don't eat no corn cake.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah. You're not even Italian.
Yeah, I don't know. Mm-mm.
That's weird.
Look, even Sarah's like, no.
Oh, caca.
That's the end of cultural
Yes.
appreciation.
Well, there goes our culture.
What is this? Ginger candy? This might be decent.
Yeah, what's that one? Pissing on those. I was gonna get them and I didn't. I'm so excited to see these. That's gross.
These came, honey.
Okay.
But I got to really show it to you.
Is it a sword?
Is it? Well, I need that when I go out on the town.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that is a sword.
Damn.
Yeah, I got to get it fixed.
Oh,
I
you're
brought
supposed to
this
be a
from
pull-
China.
Wow.
On the plane.
They sold it on the plane?
I took it.
Oh.
On the plane.
I'm such an idiot. They sold it on the plane. Yeah, I graduated third in my
But I got to
class.
get it.
Glued back in.
Miss Sandra, that ain't gonna save you if you ain't even able to use
Just
it.
gonna pull off the handles.
Yeah, but see, it's supposed to stick down
Right,
like
right,
that.
right.
And it go down
Show
like
him, wait, show him the sword.
I got this place.
Oh, I see. You're holding it like a knife.
Yeah.
Cussing, yelling and throwing things. I just wanna eat you up. I don't know if she's told him yet though, but she's.
Oh yeah, I'll spill it everywhere.
Try it.
That's good.
You like it? Coast is something different. On the East Coast. I think so.
That's the only logical explanation. Pretty good.
Is it?
Very pistachio-y.
Is it? Mm-hmm. Ooh, yum. No, you're still young, girl. Where does this place called? Rico's? Rico's?
Yeah. Perfect. Thank you. I was wondering what the. How's he gonna grind them up? Thank you. Oh yeah, I'll spill it everywhere.
Try it.
That's good.
It is so busy in here.
Wow.
I know you.
I can put you in a log cabin somewhere in Aspen. Girl, ain't nothing to the pain, ain't tricking if you got it, what you asking for? Put you in a mansion somewhere in Wisconsin. Like I said, ain't nothing to the pain, we can change the last name, what's happening? Cause you look so good, tell me why you wanna work here. I put you on the front page of a King magazine, but you gon' get yourself hurt here. Hey, baby,
Why are you like
this? Just to have a conversation. Really think you need some ventilation. Oh, I can't believe it. Ooh, ooh, she all on me, me, I think she want me, nah, I can't leave her lonely, no, ooh, I can't believe it, ooh, ooh, she all on me, me, I think she want me, nah, I can't leave her lonely, no, man, you don't understand, she made the people say, yeah, she hit the main stage, she made the people say, I can put you in the condo, all the way up in Toronto. Baby, put you in the fur coat, riding in the Murcielago.
You guys, so we took the wrong listening to Alex. Wait, did? cheaper than the lift, you guys. So if you guys come to Boston, definitely do the train.
Ooh, I can't believe it. Ooh, she all on me, me, I think she want me, nah, I can't leave her lonely, no. Man, you don't understand, she made the people say, yeah. She hit the main stage, she made the people say, yeah. Now I can put your ass out, and keep running your mouth. And if your projects come tripping, I'ma show them what these teardrops value. Shawty, I was just playing, but I can take it to the pavement. Islands have you screaming, Island won't be making love when the rich people see what we doing. Now they pointing, ooh, man, oh, we gon' keep on doing. Yeah, like it's just me and you, and when it was around, it went down on the balcony. In the late top penthouse suite, shorty like I'm out about the penthouse sheets. That's why I got
Oh, there it is. It's interesting when you go in somewhere you have to go down.
Tiger sugar. Making it.
Oh, just ready.
Thank you.
Blessed.
We're going to get the Chinese food. Ooh, look, massage therapy. You know what goes down in there?
Ooh. At first I just said that because he's standing right there.
I don't know what that is.
Hi.
Real lobster. They ain't playing no games. I know.
Getting Harry Styles.
That's what I thought.